If you've ever tried to turn a sketch into a render with AI, then you know it can cause a lot of pain. The AI can add a lot of walls, details, and materials where they shouldn't be, and then in the end, the image doesn't even look realistic. In this video, I'm going to show you the best prompts and the best workflow to turn your architecture sketches into complete renders. First, let's head over to gemini.google.com, change it to Pro, click Create Image, click the plus icon, and now we're going to upload the images of our sketch. This is a photograph of a napkin sketch that I made. Copy and paste the prompt from the description below. Now let's go through the prompt and fill in anything in the brackets.
The hardest part about using Nano Banana Pro isn't the tool itself. It's writing a powerful prompt and knowing exactly what you want. That's why I created the ultimate Nano Banana Pro cheat sheet. If you want the only Nano Banana Pro resource you'll ever need, it's linked in the description below. Check it out and upgrade your workflow instantly.
The ratio should be enter the ratio here or say the original images ratio. Let's tell it to use the original images ratio. And for the climate, I'm going to say bright sunny day with birds in the sky, God rays coming from the clouds. In the prompt, you'll see that I have brackets like y/in. That simply means yes or no. You're going to tell Nano Banana whether to include that or not. Do I want to add more entourage? Yes. Do I want to add more vegetation? I'm going to say yes. Do I want this image to overlay the sketch lines on the final image? For this output, I'm going to say no. I just recommend you play around with that option yourself to see if you like the output. Now that we filled out all the brackets, let's go ahead and select Submit. And this is the output image. You're probably wondering why we didn't tell it what materials to use. Sometimes a longer prompt in Nano Banana, a lot of the information gets lost in the sauce. So now's the point where we're going to tell it what materials to use. In order to do that, you're going to type in the prompt what it is you want Nano Banana to change. For instance, I want half of the second story of glass to be concrete, and I want the bottom floor of the right side of the building to be enclosed with glass as well. Make the second story of the building. Now I'm going to show you how to turn a sketch site plan or like a diagrammatic site plan into a realistic site plan render. Change it to Pro. Create image, and click the plus sign to add the image of your site plan. Copy and paste a prompt from the description below for the site plan. Let's go through and edit all the brackets. For the ratio, I'm going to say keep the original images ratio. For the climate, I want it to be a bright, sunny summer day. Do I want to add more entourage? Yes. Do I want to add more vegetation? Yes. Do I want vehicles where applicable? Yes. Overlay the sketch lines? No. After you're done, press enter or click submit. Sometimes Nano Banana doesn't quite give you the output you want. Like for instance, in this image, it changed the angle, it added buildings where it wasn't supposed to. It did quite a bit wrong in this. In order to help that, simply go to this redo button and click it until you get an image that you like. This is the output from that prompt. You can see that Nano Banana labeled some of this building. In order to remove that, just type remove all the letters in the image. There should be no labels. Click enter. And this is the output. Now let's see what we can do with a site plan diagram. Change it to Pro, create image, and upload the image of your site plan diagram. Copy and paste the prompt from the description below. Let's fill out all the brackets. Ratio should be original images ratio. For climate, let's do bright sunny day in the middle of summer. And for the environment, I want it to be an urban environment. I'm going to put no for entourage and yes for vegetation. I'm going to put no for vehicles, and I'm going to put no for overlaying the final sketch. After you're done, click submit or press enter. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. Over there are 2 videos that I think you'll really enjoy. And if you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon linked in the description below.